It's my last day here on Virgin Voyages. I'm going to do a quick room tour. About to debark off of the ship, so sorry I didn't do this right after housekeeping came, but it will at least give you an idea. And if not, there are other videos that have the room tours. Now, I don't like a long room tour, so I'm just going to kind of breeze through just to give you an idea. If you're a first time watching this, at least you have an idea of what it looks like. So this is your closet space that you have. Let me zoom out. And so you have, it's actually like really organized. It's giving IKEA a little bit, but like these baskets really came in handy. Like this is where I kept toiletries, my pajamas, things like that. And then I could put things on the shelves. And then you have a shelf up top too. So it really was enough space. Now I am one person though. But here you have a mirror, hello. And then you have your safe, you have your hairdryer, and then you have your life vest, which will go through the safety procedures. And in the closet here, there's buttons. So you can push this one if you want to have service or if you want cleaning to let them know you want to have your room cleaned. And then this one is just do not disturb. These are light switches too, but you can also control the lights through the pad, the little tablet that they give you. So I'll show you that in a second. The bathroom is small. Again, I just want to breeze through, but just to give you an idea, you have a shower. You have a rain shower in here, and you also have the handheld. It comes with body wash, conditioner, shampoo. The body wash smells pretty good. It's kind of like a, what would I say? Kind of like a lemongrass, tea tree kind of scent. So I don't know, if you're somebody that wants to bring your own toiletries or wants to save space, not too bad. But other than that, there's me. You have your small toilet space. Again, sorry I didn't catch this right after housekeeping. But bed is kind of it's actually two twin beds put together. So if you, they can like configure it so that it goes this way. Again, there's other videos, so you can check that out. And I have the C-Terrace. So you have the balcony and you have the hammock that you've seen me spending so much time on. We're at the bay, about to go home today. But you have, they'll bring you a carafe of water every day with housekeeping. You can go get ice or they'll bring it to you. It's a cool little bottle opener, but this is for sale, so don't just take it, they'll charge you. And then you have a little refrigerator down here where you can store things. Again, more storage, so it's really nicely configured. You have a little desk area here. And then this is the tablet, so you can use that to control everything. So you can turn the lights on. You can turn on your TV. They've got all kinds of good movies on here and TV shows. Your room controls. They've got all these things where you can do the lighting. So you can do photo shoot. It changes the lights around a little bit. If you do Zen, it changes it around even more. Got some blue lighting there. It's closing the curtains automatically. So I would recommend Zen for like your first day where you're just trying to get adjusted and rested up. It's gonna come in so handy. You can do pumped up, which is gonna open up the curtains a little bit. It's so cool. And then hangover, right? So there go the curtains again. You got some purple lights. You get to sleep in. It's really cool. So highly love all this technology that we have here. And then if you want to open up the curtains, you can just hit the button and they'll open back up for you. One cool thing is that when you have the door open, it shuts off the air conditioning. So just make sure you keep your door closed if you want to keep that going, but it will shut off automatically for you. And that's pretty much it. That's the amazing C-Terrace room. There's other rooms available too, but this one was the one that fit my needs the most. So I don't know. I'm going to stick with it for my next voyages that I have. But that concludes the room tour and I'm out.